Google VO3, which is the most recent and powerful AI video model on the market today, is now available in Canva. That's right, you heard that correctly. And in this video, I'm going to go over all the details. We'll see who can access it, where to find it. I will actually demo it to show you how it works, and also share Tianyu's formula to write the best prompts for the VO3 model, which is Google's latest tech for AI video generation. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Hey, what's up everyone? Ronnie here, your go-to Canva guru. Today we dive into this brand new Canva feature, Canva AI, introducing VO3, the AI video generator right there inside Canva. I think this is a very important news because Canva could have gone 1,000 different ways for their video generation. It could have continued its journey with Runway, like it's kind of started with previous version of AI video in Canva, which wasn't great. Could have gone with Kling, could have gone with Halo, could have gone with really many different models out there. But instead of that, it went with the best in class. Google VO3 is the superior AI video model right now. And that is absolutely amazing that Canva chose to partner with them, offering us users what's best out there on the market. So I really appreciate that. And I can't wait to show you how it works. All right, guys, this is the Canva homepage. So let me show you how to create a video feature. So for this, you'll need to get into Canva AI. Two different ways to get to Canva AI from the homepage. First one is via this button right here. It should say new still in your account, or maybe it doesn't say new anymore, but that's this button right here. So when you click here, you get to the Canva AI. Or the other option is simply to come to the left menu right here, the sidebar, and choose Canva AI from here. You'll get to the same place. And from there, you should see something like this. So a page where you have different types of AI generated resources. Look, you see you have code, image, design, video, write, etc. So create a video should be right here in your account. This feature is going to be a paid only feature, like generating video, especially with the best in class video model today, costs a lot of money. To give you an idea, depending on which version of VO3 Canva is actually running, if it's the fast model, generating one video will cost approximately $1. If it's the highest model, it costs actually closest to $5 at today's date. Okay, these prices are bound to go down, but this is the state of how much it costs as of today. And this kind of gives the context to what's coming, you'll see. So create a video, this button right here is going to be a paid feature only. And here paid means Canva Pro, Canva Teams, and Canva Enterprise. I haven't heard about Canva for education yet, so I would assume it's only for Pro, Teams, and Enterprise. Okay, so this feature right here, let's click on it to see what it looks like. So the interface is like so. I have a few related buttons right there. I have style, aspect ratio, duration, framing, and lighting. Just like for the image generation and all the other AI tools, I can use voice command, like I can chat using my voice if I wanted to. And then if I scroll down a bit, I will have my recent chats. So my recent AI chats with the Canva AI tool. And then when I scroll further down to the bottom of this page, I should see a few examples of videos that have been created with Create a Video. Okay, so if you click on one, it will open it and start generating that same video using the same prompt. So be careful because you have a limited amount of prompts every month. So if you click on one of these, you are already going to be using one of your credits. How do I know that? Well, because I made the mistake myself. I clicked on this video right here of this cat kind of walking and looking at the camera, and I wanted to see what the prompt looks like. So I clicked on it. It started generating the video. See, I had to stop creating the video. I hope my credit was not wasted. And I'm going to tell you exactly how many credits each user gets in a second. But I wanted to show you first that if you click on one of these tiles, it will burn a credit and start generating a video. So let's have a look at this prompt. Okay, so clicked on that cat walking video. And this is the entire prompt, which is, as you would see, quite a robust prompt. So a highly stylized 2D illustration of a black cat with off-white face and paws, caught mid-stride with elongated limbs, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you see it's a very detailed prompt covering different aspects of that video. So this shows us that the quality of your prompt is going to have a big importance here, okay, when it comes to generating videos with Canva. And stick around because I have a formula that my friend Tianyu came up with that will help you generate these high quality prompts. We're going to get to this in a second. All right, before we start prompting, I want to kind of go over the details here because I believe they are important. I want you to know exactly what you can expect from this tool. So first, it will generate a 16:9 up to 8-second video with synchronized audio, meaning that it's not only video that will generate. You'll have your video with relevant sound. So it could be sound effect, could be dialogue that the characters will just speak in that video. It's not just video like in Sora with no sound. It's actually video plus synchronized sound. So this is great. In the 16:9 aspect ratio, for now, when we come back to the interface and we check the aspect ratio button right here, we see 16:9, and we also see that the 9:16, so the mobile version of these videos, is coming soon. So that is exciting. We can see that this is just, I would say, the first draft of this tool that Canva wanted to put out there. So this is good to know that this is going to continue to evolve. What else do we know about this tool? Well, every prompt will generate one video only per prompt. So use them carefully. And that video that will be generated with Create a Video in Canva can be further edited in the Canva video editor. So you can open that in Canva. I imagine this video will be kind of loaded under my uploads tab video. I imagine that's where it's going to live, but we'll find out in a second. I haven't used it yet. I saved all of my credits for filming this tutorial. So kind of like without a net right here. Next thing we know is that it's available for pro, teams, and enterprise users only. And remember I told you it was quite expensive to use this model? Well, that kind of explains this or justifies this. As a paid user, you'll only get 5 credits per user per month. If you paid attention to the previous AI video model in Canva, it was up to 50, but the quality was really not there. So this one is more expensive, but you get less video. So let's hope Canva kind of pushes this limit up a bit or a lot in the future. Also, very important because I know a lot of you guys are watching from all sorts of different countries. This is only going to work when using your Canva account in the English language right now. It doesn't mean you can only generate English-speaking videos. You can change the language spoken in your videos, in the generated videos, by just specifying speak in that language. But in order to have the feature in your Canva account, you need to set the language of your Canva account to English. Pay attention to this slide, maybe screenshot this slide because every point is kind of important. All right, let's get into the weeds here. Let's start prompting. Let's start generating these videos. Just remember that in order to generate good AI videos, you will need very good prompts, all right? And for me, the go-to person when it comes to writing better prompts for either image generation or video generation is my good friend Tianyu Shu. Tianyu and I have created multiple courses. There's one about DALL-E, there's one about image generation for ChatGPT, but Tianyu is just an amazing teacher. He just knows so much about AI. Here's a slide to follow him on LinkedIn. I highly encourage you to scan this QR code, follow Tianyu if you are into AI video, AI image generation. Let me show you his profile. He recently became a top voice on LinkedIn because of the quality of his content, so definitely someone to follow. This is the course we recently created together, the ChatGPT image generation. But there is one particular post I would like you to pay attention to, this one right here. Okay, so it goes like this. So here we can see a little demo that Tianyu created with VO3. And in this post, he shares effective VO3 prompts. In that formula, Cascade stands for camera, ambience, subject, context, action, dialogue, emotion. Okay, so these are the secret ingredients you should be be including in your AI video prompts in order to get the best images. You can trust him. He has played with the tool with VO3 since day one. He always acts like that, so he just jumps on the new tool and just goes and prompts and figures out the best way to use them so he can create educational content about them. So he gives us an example here for one of the videos that were generated right here. So what I have done based on that, I have copied the cascade kind of like framework right here, or structure, and the example that he gave us. And I came to ChatGPT where I prompted the following: help me come up with a series of 5 scenes to create a little AI video. I will then generate each of the scenes with Google VO3. I want my story, divided into 5 scenes, to be about a rubber duck announcing we can now create AI videos with Canva. So that's me kind of giving the high level story or goal of my storyboard. What we are trying to create really is a storyboard with each of the 5 prompts. We are going to be using this prompt structure, cascade, to write each prompt. And that's where I pasted what Tianyu is teaching us on his profile, right? So the cascade, what it stands for, and then the example. Your task is to suggest me 5 scenes that would make my story come to life, okay? So that's exactly what ChatGPT did. Like, it gave me 5 scenes, okay, 1 to 5. And then I basically asked ChatGPT to open this in Canvas mode. And I started to add a little bit of my inputs. Okay, so I read each of the scenes. I made a few tweaks here and there until I came up with these 5 scenes, all have dialogue. Okay, and yeah, so now they are ready to test into Canva. And again, this is me on the fly. I haven't tried this before shooting, so I hope it's gonna work. Okay, so scene number 1. It's about this rubber duck. So the duck awakens with an idea. So I'm gonna copy this and see how it goes. All right, so let's come back to Canva here. Let's choose 16 by 9 and paste this. Let's delete scene number 1. So duck awakens with an idea. Close up vlog style camera angle, early morning, warm sunrise lighting, rubber duck with soft light blocking sleep mask, sitting upright on bed, surrounded by scattered notes and scribbles. Duck quickly turns toward the camera, excitedly says, "Oh, my feathers, this is incredible. Can't wait to tell the whole world." So this is pretty cool. 16 by 9 duration. Let's go for 8 seconds. Framing. Let's go. I think I gave the right framing here. I said close up. So there are really 2 ways to go about these prompts. You can try to build them by using the buttons, or if you, like me, are using a framework in ChatGPT to kind of build your prompts, I think it's enough to just paste the description. I kind of want to try it like so. So let's go and generate our first video. Let's see. Okay, so there you go. It's thinking on it. This might take up to 2 minutes, so hang tight while I get your video ready. Okay, so you see it's queuing up the digital director. There's always a few kind of like jokes going on right here, teaching pixels how to dance. So I'm not gonna make you wait here for 2 minutes reading these jokes. I'm gonna stop the video, come back when it's ready. All right, about 1.5 minutes have passed, and this is what I get. I see a video here. When I hover over it, I can see there are some subtitles, some captions. The duck has been correctly generated. So let's click on it.
Oh, my feathers! This is incredible! I can't wait to tell the whole world!
All right, so this is kind of good. Like, it's actually really good. The only thing not great are the captions, right? So there are some typos in the captions, but the voice is incredible, and the movement, the video, everything. Did you catch the little sound effect when it just flips the eye mask up? Pay attention.
Incredible!
Fruit.
I can't wait to tell the whole world!
So different layers of sound here. We have the soft music of the morning awakening. We have the sound effect when the duck flips the mask up. And then obviously there is the voice, which is pretty cool. So from here, I can do a few different actions, actually 2 different things. I can download this video. I can use this in the Canva editor. I'm going to download the video. All right, so it's going to be downloading right there. Okay, I have it here. So I'll come back to this later. Perfect. I have my first video. This is great. So I guess from here, I could either follow up and further prompt to modify the same video. As I told you, I'm not sure exactly how many credits I will have as a tester, as a Canva expert. Do I have more than 5? Do I have 5 just like everybody else? Not sure. And I really would like to generate as much of my story as possible. So I'm not gonna follow up on this one, but I believe it's possible to follow up on this first video to ask for changes. Like I could ask for no captions, for example, but I will first focus on generating the other scenes of my story. Okay, so I'm gonna come back right here, click on create a video again, and just populate with my second prompt right here. So scene number 2, this is the scene number 2. Let's come back. I have the prompt, let's paste it here. Okay, scene number 2, so that is the duck preparing to share the news. Okay, let me read the entire prompt. So duck preparing to share the news. Mid-shot, playful camera tilt. Bright, cozy home office with natural lighting. Rubber duck at mini duck-sized laptop, typing quickly. Desk is covered in creative sketches and colorful decor. The duck pauses dramatically, raising its wings and says, Canva just changed everything. AI video are finally here. Then I will add no captions. All right, cool. I don't think I need to specify the aspect ratio. I'm just going to put it just to be sure and launch the second scene. So here again, Canva is letting me know it's on it. It's queued up in the digital director. So as this feature rolls out, we can expect things to kind of get slower. Like as of today, of me filming the video, I have early access to the tool. Therefore, it seems to me that it's quite fast, but I'm not sure how fast it's going to be when millions of people are going to be using the tool at the same time, especially in the first days. All right, let's speed up the video and see what this video looks like. There you go. My second video is ready and I'm ready to discover it.
Canva just changed everything. AI videos are finally here.
That is about right. I love the little wing typing on the keyboard, the sound effect.
Canva just changed everything. AI videos are finally here.
And I like that it didn't create any captions, just like I asked. And the light is incredible on this video. The rubber duck is consistent with the first one, so this is great. Let's download this and let's add this and rename it. So this will be scene 02. Perfect. My little project is working very well right here. So I can come back and just go on with prompt number 3. So prompt number 3, scene number 3, the duck is on the set. All right, let's paste it. Let's read it. So that's scene number 3. Again, I don't think I need to edit my prompt like this. And again, I will say no captions. Okay, duck on set. Wide angle vlog style camera capturing DIY filming set. Vibrant atmosphere, bright studio lights, rubber duck at just bow tie in front of a green screen. There's a bathtub with soapy water on the set. The duck clears its throat theatrically and addresses the camera. Ready for this? Creating videos is now easier than floating in a bathtub. That sounds cool. Let's generate. And for those of you who missed it, now that you've seen the power of Tianyu's prompt formula, I'm going to bring back that QR code so you can really get there. Follow Tianyu on LinkedIn and let him know Ronnie sent you to his LinkedIn profile. All right, our third video is ready. Let's have a look.
Ready for this? Creating videos is now easier than floating in a bathtub.
Okay, so this time it didn't skip the captions. So yeah, I might come back to this afterwards. Like after I have my 5 scenes secured, I will come back to this and try to get rid of the captions. But for now, it's me securing my scenes, right? I have 3 out of 5. Scene number 3, perfect. Next one is scene number 4, and I'm gonna come back here. So you should see also create video. So if you open your sidebar right right here, you should see all of your different conversations. See, that's my video number 1, scene number 2, scene number 3. And because I'm creating a new chat for every scene, it allows me to have them all listed there and come back to them if I need to. So let's go for scene number 4 and just a little bit of housekeeping. Oops, I launched it without asking for no caption. So we'll see. I believe this one is going to be the most difficult one because I'm asking the AI to kind of generate Canva AI video interface on a laptop looking over the duck's shoulder. This one is by far, in my opinion, the hardest one to generate. So I'm kind of curious how the model will handle this one. It actually looks cool. Look at this Canva generated interface. Let's click on it.
Just describe it, click, and boom! Cinematic AI videos in seconds!
That's pretty cool. No captions. Ooh, that's a great little success right here. Okay, so let's rename that properly. Rename scene number 4. And now is the big moment. Let's see if I still have a 5th credit. If I do, would be amazing. Okay, so let's come back. Let's go grab the last scene prompt right here, cascade prompt. Come back here and just go for it. Scene number 5, the grand finale, call to action. All right. I want to have time to read it to you this time. So grand finale, call to action. Front facing vlog camera, medium close-up zooming out, cheerful bright window lighting, celebratory mood, rubber duck in party hat and sunglasses, confetti gently falling. The duck waves energetically and enthusiastically, calls out, "Go on, try create a video in Canva and let's make some splashy creations." No captions. Do not hard code any captions. Okay, let's be more precise. Let's go. Please generate my 5th scene. Yes, it seems to be working. Maybe I'm kind of like off the hook as a tester, as an early user of the feature. We've been told that it's going to be 5 video per month per users. So maybe this one is my last one. We'll see. Obviously, I will try to keep prompting. I'll try to get rid of the captions on some of the videos I generated that have the captions to get a cleaner result when I put everything together. But yeah, I'm curious to see if I can have more than 5. All right, the video is ready. Let's click on it.
Go on, try create a video in Canva, and let's make some splashy creations.
Oosh. Yeah, so this time...
Go on, try create a video in Canva, and let's make some splashy creations.
I have some kind of Vietnamese looking text right here. Go on, try, create an video. So I would like that to go away really. So I'm going to download this just to have it. Okay, I'm going to rename it scene 5. So rename scene 5. So I have it, right? But now I would like this to go away. Can you remove the written text of the video? I don't want any captions in it. Let's go. Got it. And make sure there aren't any captions in your video. Okay, so let's see if this works. If it works, it will be amazing. And you see this time I just followed up in the same chat. Okay, so this is the chat of scene 5. All right, so I can see that it's not what I thought. Like it didn't keep the exact same video. It recreated an entire new video. Let's see.
Go on, try create a video in Canva, and let's make some splashy creations.
Okay, this is better. I mean, I like the other one too, but at least this one doesn't have any captions. So I'm going to download this one, rename that scene 5, no captions. Okay, so first video needs to be redone. Second one was good. Third one needs to be redone. Fourth. Okay, so I need to redo first and third. Okay, let's go find them and do the same thing. So let's come back to my main create a video page. Open the side menu. If it's not open like me, if it's collapsed, if you see it closed like this, click on the open menu hamburger and then find that chat. Okay, so the first scene, this one right here. Great. Can you remove all text from the video? I don't need any captions in it. Let's try. And then while it's doing this, I could try to do a third one, like the third video in parallel. Okay, so that would be this one. Maybe I could just copy this line of prompt, come back here, paste the exact same one, and launch at the same time. So if these two work, I will have all of my videos, and I'm happily seeing that I can continue. So maybe what's going on is that I can have 5 chats going on and one credit is one chat. Not sure. Maybe it's just that because it's not yet rolled out to everyone, they give us more credits to test, but I'm not completely sure. There you go. The first one is ready. Let's click on it. Okay, it's very different from my first video right here.
Oh my feathers! This is incredible! I can't wait to tell the whole world!
Okay, so this didn't work. This video, it has nothing to do, like there's a hand coming. It's very different. So my follow-up prompt didn't work right here. Okay, so you know what? Let's try one last time. Coming back here, I'm just going to paste the entire prompt again. Do not generate any captions. The video. Let's try to generate the entire thing again. And in the meantime, I want to see video number 3 here. Let's see. Okay, so again, like I lost the whole thing. So I'll just try again, same thing, repost my entire prompt and specify do not generate any captions for the video. Okay, relaunch that. And if that doesn't work, I will just have to find a way to work around the subtitles, the captions, when I edit the videos. So if you figure out a way to not get the hard-coded captions, let me know in the comment of this video, because this is quite annoying and I can see how many users will struggle with this. I've seen a few other of my fellow Canva experts struggling with the same thing. So if you find like a magic prompt or text add-on to add to your prompt so that it doesn't generate the captions, let us know, because I'm very, very interested. All right, the first one is ready. Again, let's see.
Oh my feathers! This is incredible! I can't wait to tell the whole world!
Okay, so I love the little eye mask there. It's better than the black one, but I still have the caption. So I'm gonna leave it here because I want to wrap up this tutorial. I don't want to make it too long for you guys. Let's just have a quick look at the third one right here. Yeah, it is ready.
Ready for this? Creating videos is now easier than floating in a bathtub.
Okay, this was not bad. I'll keep this one as well because it has no captions. So this is scene number 3, no captions. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, I have all my videos right here. All I need to do is to come back to Canva and start a video project. Okay, so here from the homepage, I can just go video. I'll create a landscape video like so. And then quite simply, I'll come to my uploads, videos, upload files, and just upload all of the video scenes I have generated. They will be all uploading here. And then I can start editing this little video right here in Canva. And so let's see if I can make the text disappear. Okay, starting with scene number 1, which is this one. I'm gonna click on it. Page 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's add page 2 there. Page number 3 was this one right here. And then page 4 was perfect as well. And then page 5, my favorite was still the first one. So now I just need to make this one set as the video background. So now we have the video kind of making sense between all of the scenes. It's really up to me to add transitions and additional stuff, but I would like to get rid of this. All right, so here for the first clip, an easy way to get rid of this would be to split my clip right here. So I will hit my S key. Okay, I splitted my clip. When I click on the second clip now, this one right here, what I can do is to simply stretch it. So I'm going to stretch this, creating that zoom effect on my duck and making sure I don't see the text. And so there you go. Let me zoom on my timeline by clicking that little button right here. There you go. So
I can't wait to tell the whole world! Canva just changed everything. AI videos are finally here.
Creating
Okay, so here it's going to be a bit more complex. So here you see I have the same sound effect. I have the sound effect, and then I have the caption. So I'll do the same thing. I will cut right when the sound effect stops
create
and then zoom in when the duck starts speaking. So here is where the subtitle or the caption starts. Again, I'm going to split.
Some splashy creations.
Okay, so maybe I could get rid of the image here, and I'm just adding something on top of my video right here. Okay, I'm gonna make this video transparent. Boom. So I still have the voice,
Make some splash.
and I will bring the button. Actually, I have made a screenshot of that button. If I come to my uploads, images, you see, create a video. So I could bring in the button, position it at the middle of the page, and kind of have my background the same color as this button. So I'm using the color picker to pick the blue color here, so it kind of looks seamless. Let's play that again.
Go on. Try create a video in Canva and let's make some splashy creations.
Okay, so that's not bad. I would probably need some sort of animations here where I click this button. All right, guys, I worked a little bit more on that edit, and I'm now ready to show you the final outcome.
Oh, my feathers! This is incredible! I can't wait to tell the whole world!
Canva just changed everything. AI videos are finally here.
Ready for this? Creating videos is now easier than floating in a bathtub.
Just describe it, click, and boom! Cinematic AI videos in seconds! Go on! Try create a video in Canva, and let's make some splashy creations.
So it needs a little bit of fine tuning, but the idea of this tutorial was to show you the brand new tool, create a video in Canva. This new AI video generator generates really high quality videos with consistent kind of looking characters, sound effects, dialogue. This is day one, so it's only gonna get better. And I highly encourage you to jump on this trend. If you're not a Canva Pro user yet or paid user, there will be a link in the description of this video for you to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, including these features right here. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you today. You see, you kind of saw me try the tool for the first time. So you kind of learned along with me, but I am very satisfied with this tool. And I think this has some really great days ahead. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to leave you with these other videos about Canva AI right here so you can discover the other features.